must be at least 48 inches tall to ride. Guests are seated 4 to a car. As you board, please secure all loose articles, including hats, cell phones, purses, bags, food, and drink into the provided storage. No items may be held in the hands of riders. Once seated, please secure your seatbelt and have your strap ready to be checked by the operator. Thank you. Enjoy your ride. Welcome aboard. During your ride, remain seated with hands and feet inside the car at all times. Enjoy your ride.
Surely you've heard the legend of Superstition Mountain. No one makes it out of here alive. Not with Dynamite Willie on the loose.
Welcome back. When the train comes to a complete stop and the operator unlocks your door, exit towards the front of the station. Do not forget your belongings and walk slowly and carefully down the stairs. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Indiana Beach.
Yeah, you're like jumping to my arm.
Okay.